I always salute una dey welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how una see am. Southampton 2 and Chelsea 1. And we get Oga Chelsea make come tell us about how you see the game. Oga Chelsea, how you see this game and how you see the performance from both sides for inside this game.
Personally, today na a good one for me, and I see bad one for me. For my bet cut, but as far as say Chelsea lose better. Personally, I not see Chelsea not play anything. No. From the defense to the midfield to the attack, Chelsea not play anything. You know, say club like Chelsea, I don't understand what their management they do. At time like this, they're supposed to make their signings complete because now only Kante now be the main person for that midfield. As Kante not deny, see the midfield, very porous midfield. All the policies and the rest, the mouth, I don't know if they play for Chelsea. They not get that strongness. The only person I see for this match now be Sterling, Silva, Koulibaly. Chelsea play badly. Then Southampton, they can't use that opportunity, say because they know they see Chelsea bite. They can't they use that opportunity, they come outside. So personally, Chelsea not try today, they fuck up.
All right, make I ask you about our Niger boy, Joe Aribo, will be like say enter the match for second half for Southampton team.
Yes.
And today, India on the winning side.
Yes.
And last weekend, last weekend, on the winning side against Manchester United.
Yes.
With this, the minutes where Joe Aribo played for the game, what do you get to talk about Joe Aribo performance for this match?
That boy now a promising boy, you. Now promising boy. Even last match, sef, the boy performed. Against Manchester United, the boy performed. And also today said the boy is perform. Now promising boy, but you know say club like Southampton, man, now just build and sell. They're not that competitive. Now when you come to big clubs, now they show themselves. That boy, if now better club like maybe Leicester City or even promising Newcastle now, if for sweet for body, the boy they try, the boy deliver, they try.
All right, now you talk about Chelsea. Say Chelsea never do their transfers fast, quick. But we know say we get like how many days? Just 1 day or so, 2 days. Might call on 1 day before the transfer window because transfer window will close 11 p.m. or so for on Thursday. So, but make I ask you about Chelsea transfers now. Like, how many more signings you think Chelsea need to make with what you see today for today match?
Me, I not be Chelsea fan. I not really wish they better, but make I talk as a football fan. Personally, Chelsea defense all the okay now, from 3-2 and the rest there. But you see that midfield, may they replace Kante. You understand? May they replace Kante. I don't know what Jorginho they do for that Chelsea. Person like Jorginho just
may they replace Kante based on say they injure. May they bring player we go to play when you not there.
Yes, may they bring player we go to play. Strong one, strong four. You understand? Then that Jorginho not be player. He not dey pass the ball when he supposed to pass the ball, and he not sabi tack. Then they are number 9, they need them. They still need 11 too. Sterling is okay for 7, but they need number 9. They make the carry Jorginho go back to where from come. I don't know where from come. Make the carry go back. Jorginho not be player at all. They make them replace Kante. But for the rest, for that their defense, they are okay.
All right, now God Chelsea. You know say last season, the season before last one, with the season that only 2 teams they battle for the Premier League, Liverpool and Manchester City. But with what you see from Chelsea, you think say Chelsea go still join those 2 teams this season? Abi make people come on mind.
The only way Chelsea go fit the battle for the league, make I not lie you. Now if the rest people flop, because basically me know say Chelsea not go fit make those tough signings when they talk about. They don't sign one boy now where they do medical. Yes, where they do medical. But personally, I'm not sure say Chelsea go sign those players who say they'll take compete for the league. Because you see the league now, minus Man City, Liverpool they struggle. Tottenham will never know their fate. Chelsea now out of the race. You don't understand. So Manchester United they struggle. So if you look those rest people now, so they see they go, but you see Chelsea, I'm not sure they'll compete it. Even that 4th position self go out there because Tottenham they inform past Chelsea. I go fit talk that one because their front line is okay, their midfield is okay, their defense sef dey okay. You understand? Even when the match they play against Chelsea, you see their fighting spirit, man. You say the ref can't do his own wuru. But if you see their fighting spirit, you go know say these people they determined to do something. Then my own get club, Arsenal now, the Igbo of Africa, the Igbo of the world. We get the way we take the position our team. We they come like spirits. So we dey out of, we not join those people now. The way they do our thing, they come so now investor vibes. You understand? So, but Chelsea, to me, make Chelsea fan, make they look next season.
Okay.
They look next this season, not be for them.
All right, now, God, Shorty, thank you for your time, your face show, and your shoe shine.